Okay, we are going to teach and review part 2 of our Shim, Sham, Shimmy. So last video we went over the first part, which was 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump, bump, ba-dum, bump, 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 ba-dum. One more. Bump, ba-dum. What do we do after this? That is today. So right after that, our last one where we're like right, left, right, we're gonna step forward on our right again. So we're gonna go right toe, step left. Right toe, step left. Right toe, step left. Right toe, step left. But this part feels faster. So we were just in this rhythm of ba 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 da ba. Right toe step. So it kind of feels fast. So let's do that, just that, from the last right, left, right, and right into the ba ba ba. So we can get a continuation and add on the first part of the next step. So we're going to go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, and right toe step. How'd you do? I can't hear, but if you're laughing, that's okay. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, and right toe step. Hopefully that was better. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, and right toe step. Hey, if you need to keep reviewing that, just rewind the video and keep practicing until you get it. So we just did right toe step. Then we have this syncopated beat, and we're going to just step backwards. Right toe step, and right and left. Right? So it's got this kind of feel, because it's a jazzy song. Or swingy, sorry. Swing. It's a swing song, which I guess is like that. So we just step forward, right toe step, and right and left. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right toe step, step back, step back. Hey. So right after we go step back, we're going to touch our right toe out, and then we're going to slide it in. Toe out and slide. Toe out and slide. Out, in. We can turn the toe. Ballet, tendu type thing. But we're actually going to be a tap dancer and smack that toe. Smack that right on the floor. Just kidding. Tap that toe and slide it in. Tap that toe and slide it in. Right? So we just did walk back, tap out, slide in. So from the beginning of that step, we're stepping forward right, we're tapping our left toe, step forward right, tap left toe, step back left, and walk, toe tap, slide in. It's kind of fast, right? It's not fast though, because it's going to be put in your body and it won't feel fast when you finally do it. You'll be like, oh, this is so easy. And then we can add on and do different things to it, right? We could, like bump, 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 spank step, out, in. That's my goals, right? That's the goals of us getting there by National Tap Day in May. But for now, we're going to keep it nice and simple. Nice and simple. So we're going to step forward on our right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward right. Toe step, step back, slide. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right toe, step, and back, out, slide. My children are opening the door. Of course they are. Okay, let's try that from our last bump, bump, right? Let's try it and go through from that last one to this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, bump, left and step, right and step, left, right and step, forward, right, toe, step, step back, toe, slide. Oh, and there's a clap right after that. I didn't tell you guys that, but toe, slide, clap. Toe, slide, clap. Toe, slide, clap. The nice thing is, if you learn this step, we do it like 3 more times in the routine. So you're prepared for like half of the shim, sham, shimmy. All right, let's try that again from the right, left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, and right, toe, step, step back, toe, slide, clap. Woo! Hopefully you got it. If not, let's do it one more time, and then you can rewind if you still don't have it. Just keep going at it. All right, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, and right, toe, step, step back, toe, slide, clap. Woo woo! I remember the clap. I'm cheering myself on because I keep forgetting the clap with you guys. And you always remember, so I'm so proud of you. Okay, so let's do that from the beginning. So we're going to start right, side, left, side, right, side, then right. Toe, step, step back, toe, slide, clap. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, and left, right, and left. Last one. Left, right, and right. Step right, toe, step back, toe, slide, clap. Woo! So rewind that to practice, and then try and pick the pace up yourself to see how fast you can do that. And obviously, I didn't say this in the last video, I lost my headphone, but if you want to have a variation of the beginning step, you're just going to go stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, step, stamp, spank, step, bump, ba-da, bump, spank, step, bump, ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Right? You're free to do that variation. You're also free to go step, toe, step, spank, step, toe, in. Or if you want to jump, but obviously this is a no jump video, but if you really feel like it, your choice, right? Your body, your choice, do what you're feeling. You can go step, toe, step, hop, step, out, in. Or you can even go out, in, and click your heels. It's whatever you're feeling. If you're feeling up to it that day, or if you're like, not good for my body, don't injure yourself, right? We don't want to injure ourselves, but do what you are feeling that day. This is your practice, right? This is not yoga, but this is tap for our bodies, and sometimes we need different things. But anyways, okay, have fun practicing part 2.